Hey guys, Blooming Creature here doing a little unboxing and reviewing of this Hamilton Beach 5-in-1 sandwich maker, guys. All you need for this is you need your breakfast bread, your meat of choice in the morning, eggs, and cheese. And then just mix into this little compressed sandwich maker and we'll open up and see what it's like. We've used one of these before in the past, and now that a lot of restaurants are getting fast food restaurants, you know, like Dunkin' Donuts and Panera, they're getting rid of a lot of their ham and egg and cheese sandwiches, and those are my go-to in the morning. So when I can't have that, then I decided to get out and get a Hamilton sandwich maker, and this one we just happened to get for a family member, so I'm going to unbox it before I give it to her. So first off, it comes with the owner's manual, a couple of sheets that tells you how to clean it, what nonstick thing to use. But here it is, guys. It's very small, very compact. As you can see, there's two lights here on the bottom. There's a red and there's a green one as well. The green one is for the preheat, and the red is for the power when it's on, not for when it's done. It comes in 3 sections. There's the top half here I opened. The middle compartment, which cooks our eggs. And then the third compartment is which, bottom half of your breakfast bread goes on. So how this works, guys, is you put your bottom half of your sandwich bread here. The light will be on. The green light will be on. Put your sandwich bread here. Put the container here. Your bread goes in the middle. Put whatever breakfast meat you want here. Cheese as well. And as you can see here, there's another layer. This cap does come off, but before that you have an egg that goes on here. You prep the egg the way that you would like to. Once the egg starts to bubble and boil and it becomes a little solid on the bottom, then this door opens up and it drops the egg right on top of the meat and the cheese that you have on the bottom. Then you can take this top half and it closes it in. That way it secures the sandwich and it makes it all compact together. So once it's done cooking, you can just lift up this container and you will have your whole breakfast sandwiches, egg, meat, and cheese and all. Like I said, this is wonderful. It's small, it's compact. We've used them in the past. It's great when you're on the run, and especially on the weekends when you want to have a whole breakfast sandwich and you don't want to go out. You just make your coffee here at home, open this little sandwich maker, preheat it, spray it with a little pan. About 5-10 minutes, you have your breakfast sandwich, and you can sit down, relax, and no fuss with traffic or anything. Love it. Can't wait to use it. I'm getting a double one for me and my husband. This one is going to a family member that only enjoys they only enjoy having a single sandwich. They don't both enjoy it. So this is going to them, and I am getting my double one soon. Yay! Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.